Well, Datai Langkawi was opened in 1993, and after nearly 25 years, where no major renovation was done, it was really the time to do it. Right? So we brought in Didier, who was the original interior designer of the Datai back in where they started the project in 1990, to make sure that the spirit and the DNA of the Datai is kept from an interior design.
Yeah, after 25 years coming back in Datai was a real happiness and surprise also. I felt that now the Datai was fully integrated by the nature, and the nature could come back as it was originally. We did the Datai. The challenge was to make a modern tropical hotel into the jungle. So we know we have to change, but that means we should not kill. That means what we have to refresh the concept to make it lively, but not keep the DNA as it was and as the people like it. So because I suppose that the return guests will be very upset if we do change it.
The only new area we're going to create will be a nature center. Again, to make sure that we get the guests connected to nature and understand what the richness of the Datai, which is immense, really. We're going to create Datai Estate Villa, which is going to be one of the largest 5-bedroom villa in Asia. That's going to be a new addition and a new feature for us. We're going to create an holistic pavilion as well, and we're going to increase the footprint of the spa. Right? So that's going to be new elements of the Datai. You can't beat the location, and I think it's critical that we provide an area whereby we really explain to our guests the richness of the nature.
We could not hesitate 1 second to work for the Datai. You know, everybody who has gone to Datai want to come back, and as a designer, it is exactly the same.
We are all looking forward for this major 10-month renovation. We have a legacy. The Datai is a legend in Asia and in the world. We intend to carry on the legacy with a great sense of responsibility, but also to bring it to the new era of today, and that we are very much looking forward to.